Guess what time it is, guys? It's time for the big tower to make a return to the showdown. Though the Rangers took the gold last time, who will take the gold this time? So far, our championship leader is the honeybees. So can they do something then? The oceans, hornets, chocolate bars and dishwashers, start us off. Come on. Two in, and looks like that's Team Ocean in front, and the Hornets in second. So they were both events. Chocolate bars are out, so are dishwashers. Now, we got Lava Walker, Honeybee, Misty Mystics, and Green Line. And more! Honeybee took the inside line. And they were in the lead. Oh, there's that one. Go caught up. Honeybee, so far will be advancing. But then they keep it clean. Now they will. But I don't think Lava Walkers will be able to catch up. No, they won't. So they will. So Misty Mystics and Honeybees continue. Stretch their lane. But the sweet and sours, green limes, of course we're gonna let them just win, or get a blind up, but they are eliminated. The green lime will probably be getting down last this event, probably. But now, Sugar Crush, sweet and sours, flashes, and the red peppers. Wow. Sugar Crush in front, red peppers in second right now. Well, flashes in there last. He's a veteran of this, so he needs this. And oh, flashes! Just whipped red peppers off their own line. Red peppers get concerned. Flashes, that was nasty from them. That was foul play. But since they got dead last, no points will be deducted. But yeah, but foul play from this team. Civil Waters, Ketchup, and Tails Raiders, and He-Man, or Tails Raiders, had a bad start. They're in third right now. Can they catch up? No! He-Man and Ketchup can take this for themselves. Tails Raiders will get third. Oh, that was... Civil Waters, of course, will get 14, but man, Tails Raiders will get 13th. Man, that was not good with them at all. Ketchup, Team Mayhem, Honeybees, and Sugar Crush, and more. Honeybees are fun. Team Mayhem second right now. Anyone got to get caught up? No. Yes, Sugar Crush does get caught up. Honeybees and Team Mayhem will advance to the final. Honeybees, all they need is just a good result in the next event. They win. But now, who advances in this heat? Hornets, Team Ocean, Sweet and Sours, and what? Sweet and Sours in front. And who's that? That Chocolate and Glass. There's the Hornets. Okay, Sweet and Sours in front. And who's that? Shooting right on that bumper. That's Team Ocean. Team Ocean 3 Star Wars will advance. Goodbye, Hornets. Goodbye, Misty Mystics. But now, who will get the gold medal? In the event, what? That's where Star Wars are in front. Can Honeybees to catch up at all? They're trying to. Oi, they take the lead. Oh no! It's the Hornets! Oh no! I know, all that heat has to be redone. So Honeybees will get a second chance here to capitalize. And they're fighting. Please tell that automatically out of this event. Team Mayhem's in front. And it will be Team Mayhem. No! Is it Team Mayhem? Yes, it is! And Team Mayhem wins the gold. Oceans will get silver. The Honeybees the bronze. Sweet and sour. Of course, again, we're gonna let them finish anyway. Because we're nice. But Team Mayhem will win the event. The Oceans will get silver. The Honeybees the bronze. We're gonna let these ones just take their time down the track. Yep, there they are. And we'll see you for the ceilings for the big tower.